You don't need to be a pro to replace an outdated light fixture with something bright, modern, and energy efficient. Today, I'll show you how to safely and easily install an LED light fixture, even if it's your first time doing electrical work. No complicated tools, no confusing steps, just a simple step-by-step guide every homeowner can follow. Let's light things up. 1. Tools and supplies you'll need. Before we get started, here's what you'll need. A new LED light fixture, screwdriver, flat and Phillips, voltage tester for safety, wire stripper or utility knife, wire nuts, often come with the fixture, optional, ladder, drill, or safety gloves. Got everything? Great, let's move on. 2. Turn off the power. Seriously, don't skip this. This is the most important step. Turn off the power at the breaker box. Don't just flip the light switch. Once the power is off, use a voltage tester to double-check that no electricity is flowing to the wires. Safety first. No shortcuts here. 3. Remove the old light fixture. Unscrew the old fixture's canopy, the round or square part against the ceiling. You'll see the wiring inside. Gently untwist the wire nuts connecting the black, white, and ground wires. Support the fixture with one hand so it doesn't fall. Now, disconnect everything and remove the old mounting bracket if it came with one. Done? Good. Time to prep the new fixture. 4. Install the new mounting bracket, if needed. Your new LED fixture will come with a mounting bracket or plate. Line it up with the existing electrical box and screw it in place. If your ceiling box is loose, now's the time to tighten it up. A secure box equals a safe installation. 5. Wire it up. It's easier than you think. Now the fun part, connecting the wires. Here's the basic color guide. Black or red, wire equals hot. White wire equals neutral. Green or bare copper equals ground. Connect black to black, white to white, and green to ground using wire nuts. Twist them clockwise and tug gently to make sure they're secure. If your LED fixture has quick connectors instead of wire nuts, even better, just snap the wires in. 6. Attach the fixture to the ceiling. Once the wiring is done, carefully tuck the wires into the ceiling box. Then, align your LED fixture's canopy or base with the mounting bracket and screw it into place. If your fixture has a decorative cover, install that last. Now step back. It's already looking great. 7. Turn the power back on and test it. Head back to your breaker panel and flip the power back on. Now go to your switch and voila! Bright, beautiful LED light. If nothing turns on, double-check your connections or use the voltage tester again. If everything looks good and it still doesn't work, the fixture may be faulty. 8. Why go with LED? So why upgrade to an LED light fixture in the first place? Here's what you get. Energy efficiency uses 75% less power than traditional bulbs. Long life. Most LEDs last 10 to 20 years. Low heat. No more burning hot fixtures. Modern design, clean lines, sleek profiles. Great for small spaces. Smart features. Some come with dimming, color change, or app control. LEDs aren't just lighting. They're smart, stylish upgrades that boost your home's comfort and value. 9. Troubleshooting common issues. Running into problems? Here are quick fixes. Light flickers, make sure wire connections are tight. Doesn't turn on, check the breaker. Test the wires again. Loose fixture, tighten mounting screws. Buzzing noise, check for dimmer switch compatibility. Not all LEDs work with all dimmers. If you're still unsure, it's okay to pause and ask a professional before continuing. 10. Pro tips for first-time installers. Here are some quick bonus tips for a smooth install. Lay all parts out before starting. Use a second person if the fixture is heavy. Read the manual, every fixture is a little different. Don't over-tighten screws, they can strip or crack. Most installations take 15 to 30 minutes and can completely transform a room. That's it. You just installed a new LED light fixture like a pro. It's clean, modern, energy efficient, and you did it yourself without calling an electrician. If this helped you feel more confident with DIY home upgrades, hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment. What room are you upgrading next? And remember, every small upgrade brings you one step closer to the home you love.